try Babbel for free at Babbel.com. Just go to Babbel.com and start learning a new language today. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com.
Are your property taxes too high?
Oh, come on. I thought they were going to test now.
The Pittsburgh law firm of Flaherty Fardo.
Always
I have personally helped thousands of property owners lower their property taxes. Let me review your case for free. Visit pghfirm.com.
The following is a
There it
test
is.
of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Hey, it's Kevin Battle for Window Nation. It is that time of year.
Alright. I'm not even ready. Hold on. Alright, now I'm ready to unmute.
Alrighty, so as you may see, there's only two of us in this call.
Yes,
three, so.
It's me, RCT3 to 165, here along with.
And Antonio Sonas, Pittsburgh EAS. And
he is the Pittsburgh EAS.
Oh, yeah!